Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to create a multi-source news feed using RxJS. We'll fetch articles, tweets, and blog posts and merge them into a unified news feed. Plus, we'll add delays to make it more realistic. Let's start by importing the necessary RxJS functions and operators. To keep things simple, we'll simulate fetching data from different sources: articles, tweets, and blog posts. Let's go ahead and write a simple function to fetch articles. This function will return a stream of articles, and each article will have a type and some content. The type will be article, and for now, let's just add some placeholder content. Now let's create another function to fetch tweets. This function will be quite similar to the fetch articles function we just wrote. We'll duplicate it and make the necessary adjustments to fetch tweets instead. Now, let's create yet another function to fetch blog posts. Similar to what we've done before, we'll begin by duplicating the fetch articles function and then make the necessary adjustments to make it fetch blog posts. With our data sources ready, we'll use the merge function to combine them into a single newsfeed observable. Now it's time to combine all our data sources into one unified newsfeed. Let's see how it's done. We've created a constant called newsfeed, and we're using merge function from RxJS. Inside this function, we pass the observables returned by our fetch articles, fetch tweets, and fetch blog posts functions. Now that we have our unified newsfeed containing content from various sources, it's time to see this content in action. We'll subscribe to the newsfeed and display the content as it arrives. Now, to make it more realistic and closer to what you might encounter in real-world scenarios, we'll add delays to each data source to simulate the time it takes to fetch the content. As you can see in each of our data fetching functions, we're using the pipe method with the delay operator to introduce a delay before emitting the data. We've set different delay times for each data source. All right, it's time to see our code in action. Let's execute the code and see the results. As we run the code, keep an eye on the console. As you can see, our news feed is displaying content from articles, tweets, and blog posts just as we intended. And I hope you've enjoyed this journey into creating a multi-source news feed with RxJS, and that you've gained valuable insights into handling asynchronous data. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more programming tutorials. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next video.